Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hub. So let's get into our first question. Determine if the following series converges. So to do the following question, we can spot that this is an alternating series. How do we know that? We know that whenever you spot, let's say a series, this is a 2. So whenever you have a series, right, like over here, for example, we have 1 over 2n plus n, which is the same thing as 1 over 3n, but this is being multiplied by 1 minus 1 to the power of n. So whenever you have minus 1 to the power of n, remember, most of the time, like almost all of the time, this is an alternating series. This is an alternating series, and this is an alternating because, for example, if you plug in 1, if n is equal to 1, then this will be 3 minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1 over 3. If we plug in 2, we get 1. So we get 1 over 9 multiplied by positive 1, which is 1 over 9. Then we plug in 3, we get 1 over 27 times minus 1, which is minus 1 over 27. And as you can see, this alternates between positive and negative. So we have an alternating series. Now, to see if a alternating series converges, we have the following conditions given over here that need to be satisfied. So bn plus 1 is less than or equal to bn, which basically means that the bn's are decreasing. So the series bn, so if bn is equals to minus 1 to the power of n over 3n, we can clearly see that as n get larger, the series will decrease. The series gets smaller and smaller and smaller. And now the second condition we need to satisfy is that the limit of bn goes to 0 as n goes to infinity. So let's try to solve this. Minus 1 over n 3n. So we know as the denominator goes to infinity, so we will probably, so 3, we would get 1 over infinity times over infinity. This will give us basically 1 over infinity, positive, negative, and which is basically equal to 0. So our limit as n goes to infinity of bn equals to 0. So now both these conditions are satisfied, and when both these conditions are satisfied, that means our original series converges. So therefore our series converges. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.